So what's your take on the chicken sandwich? We're going to play the tape of us trying it after this little clip. How you feel?
It was just too much for me. Too spicy.
Stop talking like that. Talk how you regular talk.
I got so cute because my man might be watching. He better not be watching with other girls. I eat the period.
Girl, stop talking like that. Talk regular. That's not how she talks. She trying to be cute. She didn't put that lipstick on. Right, but the spicy chicken sandwich was too spicy. It's not something you're getting like to enjoy. No. It is too spicy. I do not like it.
That sandwich need to be named the coronavirus. My nose was running. I felt like I couldn't breathe. You know, I had shorties of breath. I cannot deal with it.
I didn't like that crispy chicken sandwich. We did not like it.
What in the cayenne pepper going on?
Too spicy. We about to play the clip so y'all can see
bottle of cayenne pepper in it.
Boom. On that spicy chicken sandwich. We do not like it. We about to roll a clip. Roll a clip. Roll a clip.
My mother-in-law makes better chicken sandwiches like that.
Oh, girl. Please. She a girl. Bye. We don't care about
you. You having mother-in-laws with no man.
Mother-in-law with no man.
So on this page, we have a little bit of everything. You're home, away from home. Take off your shoes and get comfortable.
Okay, so we're doing the spicy chicken sandwich from McDonald's. Challenge. Whoever grabs their Sprite or they drink first, loses.
Thought I was in trouble. Oh yeah, what is this orange? Oh yeah, I don't hold up.
You told them no pickles.
I don't play like that.
Well, I got pickles on mine. You got pickles on yours. They still get
that go back to that territory.
I ain't going back to telling people shit. I'm not doing that.
I don't do no stuff like that. McDonald's culture days.
We could just talk on this one then. Or you want to do a challenge?
All right, let's talk.
Let's do the challenge. All right. If whoever grabs it. I told you.
I had this before, y'all. You had it before, sis? You had it before?
Mm-hmm. Oh, bitch, I can't see you.
I'm messing with you, y'all.
I don't mess it. So if you grab your drink before me, Put that. It's spicy. You got bite, sis. Oh, we got it. They can't see you. Ooh. Ooh. Whoever drink, they drink. Losers. All right. Oh, my mouth ring. It's spicy, huh?
Kill a bit.
No kidding. Ooh. Yeah, that one you did.
Well, wait.
I was on there. I'm probably gonna win this one. You ain't with me with that ice because everybody said I won.
I won. I had more ice than you.
Oh, it is.
I'm still a winner, even if they say I lost.
No, you're not.
Yeah, I'm behind me.
She lost y'all the last challenge. It's hard, y'all. Spicy chicken sandwich from McDonald's. Ooh. So whoever grabbed their drink first. If you finish it first. What if I grab yours? You drink it. If you do have a drink first, loses.
You gotta be more specific.
She lost, y'all. She lost. She lost. Woo. Woo. This is spicy, y'all.
This sandwich is full of diabetes, heart problems.
No. This is hot.
Baby, I need water. She's drinking hers, y'all.
They made this hot, y'all.
I ain't buying this no more.
My nose running.
It's worth their profit. I'm not buying this no more. What in the cayenne pepper? All right, maybe I just take the cayenne pepper and put it over here.
Yeah, yo. I'm not gonna lie, it's hot. Ooh. Ooh. You don't want to say? My mouth burning.
That's that rape.
I want to try. You think?
The sauce, the cheese.
You have the bacon in my mouth. Yo. This is really spicy. It's good, but
I
it's
think
spicy.
this is the original chicken sandwich. They just threw a little sauce on it.
What? Not the hot and spicy. But I don't regular hot and spicy.
Not hot and spicy, but you know. McDonald's, you'll never kill me.
Those is
I got
hot.
kids to live for.
All the people keep calling when they know you're doing a video. I'm sorry, y'all. Keep calling. No, this not no spicy chicken sandwich. Let me get kind of They wrong for this. Ooh, I'm not getting this no more.
You know.
Ooh.
I ain't. Cause I can't. It's a kill me.
We ain't gonna kill you. My nose running. Y'all, this is ridiculous.
It's hotter than crawfish, spicier than crawfish.
Yeah, like what they put on it. This the regular crispy chicken sandwich that you get. Not that and spicy.
I know it's not hot and spicy.
Yeah. All right, I'm gonna say something. Go ahead. All right, go ahead. Go play. Come back. All right, come back. Go ahead and play. Yes. All right, I'm about to go get it right now. You done?
Don trying to take people out.
This is
It's a coronavirus sandwich.
This sandwich is spicy. I'm not gonna lie. It's too spicy. Now Popeye's chicken sandwich ain't even this spicy, huh?
They try to outdo Popeyes.
This is spicy to
Like this is ridiculous.
Uncomfortable spicy. I don't know what I'm saying.
Yeah, it is. Like miserable. This song giving me the coronavirus symptom. Fever. Shortness of breath.
Well, you finished yours first, so. But this is crazy.
I'm sleepy, y'all. No, I'm not big when I finish fast, but I ain't big when I get.
You know,
that sandwich is about me.
that sandwich is spicy.
It's nice packaging. I like the way they package and stuff.
Yeah,
the packaging is cute, but I don't know, baby. I don't do no talking.
Throw this away from me, Pooh. You really not gonna throw this away. All right, okay. You ain't gonna eat this, no. It's too spicy.